Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2024 question 7b. This is an angle of elevation question involving a building and a tower. The question says the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the top of a building, 5 meters high, is 30 degrees. This is very important. The angle is not measured from the ground. It is measured from the top of the building. On the horizontal ground, the building is 40 meters away from the foot of the tower. We are asked to illustrate the information in a diagram and then calculate the height of the tower correct to 3 significant figures. The building is 5 meters high. The 30 degrees angle finds only the extra height. Above the top of the building. Height of tower equals h plus 5. First, draw the horizontal ground. Let A be the foot of the building and let C be the foot of the tower. The building is 40 meters away from the foot of the tower, so length of AC equals 40 meters. Now draw the building vertically upward from A. Let the top of the building be B. The height of the building is 5 meters, so length of AB equals 5 meters. Length of BD equals 40 meters. Length of CD equals 5 meters. (30 degrees). Length of D equals H. Height of tower equals length of CD plus length of DE. Height of tower equals 5 plus H. This is the completed diagram. The small building has height 5 meters, and the extra height of the tower above the building is H. To find H, we focus on triangle BD. With respect to the 30 degrees angle at B, the opposite side is length of DE equals H, and the adjacent side is length of BD equals 40 meters. So we use tangent. Using tangent, we write tan of 30 degrees equals H over 40. To solve for H, multiply both sides by 40. This gives H equals 23.0940 meters. But H is not the full height of the tower. It is only the extra height above the top of the building. Tan of 30 degrees equals H over 40. H equals 40 tan of 30 degrees. H equals 40, 0.577350. H equals 23.0940 meters. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The tower height is length of C. It is made up of the lower part, length of CD equals 5 meters, and the upper part, length of D equals H. So the height of the tower is 5 plus H. So the height of the tower is 28.0940 meters. Continue the calculation using the same diagram. The next steps are shown on the right. Now consider this step. Find the full height of the tower, 3 divided by 3. 28.0940 meters centimeters. 28.0940 goes to 28.1. The question asks for the height correct to 3 significant figures. The first 3 significant figures are 2, 8, and 0. The next digit is 9, so 28.0 rounds up to 28.1. Therefore, the height of the tower is 28.1 meters, correct to 3 significant figures. The final answers are Part 1, the diagram shown, and Part 2, the height of the tower is 28.1 meters. This framed result is the final answer for the question. To summarize, we first used the 30 degrees angle and triangle, BDE, to find the extra height above the building. Then we added 5 meters because the angle was measured from the top of a 5 meters building. This is the final answer. Exam tip. The angle is measured from the top of the building. Full height equals building height plus extra height. Tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Draw the horizontal line from the top of the building. Find the extra height. Add the building height. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.